Alright, speed 1 in singing whale. If I find singing whale, the video ends. If that's a Filipino singer, then we'll only be the same. However, Lavo Peak na finish the lyric doesn't count as a singing whale. So hey, if you want to watch my speedrun in singing whale, you should be please. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Will you marry me? Will you marry me? Will you marry me? Will you marry me?
What the
Hey, are you okay? I'm good. How are you? Where's the fire? Fire? You texted me.
No, I'm doing this for the Filipino singers, not this. Not this.
Never say. I'm not sure.
No. Like I said, Lavo Peak doesn't count.
Yeah, that's the one.
For today, we will compare the Cebuano Bisaya and the Davao Bisaya. Let's go. Number 1, jeans. Pantalon. Carsonis. Second, fever.
Magandang araw.
There's so many Cebuano and Davaoenos speaking in Bisaya. They're different, okay?
Saan yung mga
Please.
Lines kapag sinabi ni...
Three factors. 1. Oh my god. 2, 3.
Fun again. I never forget the since the
God has missed everything from...
I open up the fun again. I never...
Ano Filipino singer?
Okay, basahin natin.
Ano Filipino singer? Not miss everything from Kalbang.
Ayan.
Not one of them.
Kaya mo ba yung boses ni Kyla sa hanggang ngayon? My God! Hindi natin...
Patay.
Eto nga yung...
Please. Do this day.
Can you
Panawan. Pichipipi wiwiw. Kasi yan. JS.
1 to
Ambot.
4 a.m. This...
See what letter I get.
Come on. Naman ka mag-remix ang lupang iniwan. Oy, that's against the law. No. Graduation's done. Mga marites naman na.
Welcome to Calveo City.
You just mispronounced the entire name.
Here's a trick that not many...
However, this will be 5 minutes because kanina, it's 30 seconds video. Oh, bakit nga ba mahal kita? Come on. Do you really just have to do this live stream? Please? 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 Please, don't. Please. For crowd cheering. I swear. Oh.
Paluluhain ba?
Again, Lavo Peak doesn't count as usual. Si Teddy Copos na mali na utod.
Tama kanina eh. Mali.
Ano yun?
100% pa yan, ha?
Alam ko, 100%.
Mga signs na crush ka ng crush mo. No parking. Oo nga.
Since when there's a piano there in the mall?
Anong brand po ito? Sino nakakaalam? Come on!
Kimi Mobile. Saban, isawan daw. Okay. Never proposed in Easton Summer State University sa Square 8.
What sounds better?
Don't why yan si Bebe. 1. Wait, this is singing contest. Roses Cabela 2023. Mike and copyrighted by this one. What song is this? I finally find the singing whale in 5 minutes. Voces de Isabela na babae. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you indeed, please, this is the longest video in my screen recording. I barely know this is going to be copyrighted by this. What song is that? Let me know in the comments if you're from Isabela province. Please. I'm suffering. Screen recording to speed run. Oh my god. Speed running singing wheels again, but this time it's going to be fast enough. Was it 5 minutes of me finding the best singing wheel possible, not a Laulawa Peak? Laulawa Peak doesn't count as a singing wheel, so if anything that is outside Laulawa Peak or American singing, it's the Filipino singers. They done it this way. So, goodbye.